What kind of legacy are we to leave for the coming generation? Yes, I hope to see a better life, but it's an imagination. They talk about democracy, me look around, all I just see is hypocrisy. The dialogue is turning to a fallacy, they get a youth ambition, now turning to a fantasy. From long time when we grow, everybody know this is the bread basket. But right now we carry what's in the basket.
Is this the land we cry for? We die for? Sadado. Is this the land we cry for? We die for? Sadado.
Dzemabwe, 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 Sadado.
If the world is a stage, then this pain is a cage. Aren't you tired of lying one angle? You're smiling through all of your rage. So listen to me softly. Time to rise up, my family. What you thinking? Did you miss me? Sing it for me. Is this the land that we died for? We cried for. Da-da-da. Is this the land we cried for? We died for. Sadado. Is this the land we cried for? We died for. Sadado.
Dzemabwe, 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 Dzemabwe.